Walking back in today, we're at the shop with another vlog. Right here is JT's El Camino. Byron short wide. I don't know if he went around and body worked it some more. Been going from the channel a few days. Really haven't had any content. Just got my tooth removed, so my face is currently swollen and a little bit of pain. But can't complain too much. Yeah, he definitely been doing a little bit more body work to this car. I don't know if he drove it up here or what, but this car does run and drive short wide. Not sure what year it is. JT's El Camino, our Trail 72. My uncle's box Chevy. Don't know what year that is. My 72. This car is still for sale. But honestly, I might just end up keeping it, put my 400 small block and TH350 in here and cam that. This is the motor, well, parts car. Kiki got the motor out for his drop. I'll show y'all that here in a minute. Trying to see if I can cut out this trunk pin out of here. Well, it's not even trunk pin, it's like the rear seat pin. So I could weld it into my 75 convertible. This car is in decent condition. Got all the interior and stuff. I imagine it was running and driving. Not sure the story on this. I haven't been up here at the shop for a while. I don't even know who car this is or what this is. Oldsmobile. I don't know if this is an 88 or what, but looks decent. These rims look good on it. Don't know who car that is. Tavy bought this 442, and I might cut out because this music's loud, but walking back in. It's the next day. I'm headed back to work after lunch break, and Jesus, these freaking potholes. I'm waiting to hear from Big Danny so I can know if I have a trunk pin or a rear freaking pin to get re-welded in. All these freaking diesels out here. Gosh. Yeah, I'm waiting to hear back from Big Danny to see if I have a rear seat pin that I can cut out my 75, then put in that one out of that Oldsmobile or Delta. I don't even remember what it was, but from the last clip. Get that welded in, then start the frame off or the frame process. Just clean it up as much as I can, get it high up in the air. Just take the proper precautions to make sure this car can sustain some power, because it's definitely about to be putting down some power on some 26-inch rims. So a whole lot of stress on the frame. So I just want to be able to make sure that it can handle the stress and everything is about to go through. But as soon as I get that figured out, gonna go from there. Top relay and power lines are on the way to make my top go up. Just gonna go ahead, tarp it up, get that covered up, start restoring that too, because it's kind of rough. Man, this car is really rough, honestly. 75 Caprice convertible. Yeah, one of the hottest cars on the market, if not the hottest Donk on the market right now. Hey man, it costs to play. Still have my 72. I think I have decided to go ahead and keep both. I'm not sure. Money talks. If it comes, if it doesn't, hey, it is what it is. Just part of the process. Currently looking for a new daily. Still pushing the Vic around. Kind of want me a single cab truck, going back to my old high school fresh graduation roots where I was really into the single cab Chevys. Preferably a 6.2 that's cam and built already. I want to buy something that's already built, not trying to build anything else. Next thing you will see me building is a Mustang GT Premium or a Corvette or something. Not really trying to build a daily, but single wide or F-150, 2015, and my budget for the single cab is 10K. Most I'll spend. For the F-150, I will spend around 15K. Has to be under 150,000 miles, preferably under 120, man. It's just, hey, I do not want a truck with a whole lot of miles pushing 200K. It costs to play once again, but just part of the process, you know, I'm not really tripping on it. So y'all just stay tuned, just updating the vlog. What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in. Today we're at CarMax and I'm getting ready to test out a Camaro 2023 LT1. I found a 21 that I like in Dallas, so I'm just coming to get the feel, or maybe I'll finance it. Who knows? Y'all stay tuned. Big LT1, man. Here at CarMax. This baby sounds good. Sheesh. They got a GT350 up here and a C8. Gosh. Yeah. That's cool.
Just don't get pulled over, all right?
For sure. GT in the LT1, man. This mug, that sounds good, but let's go look at this. Gosh. Y'all want me to tell y'all the truth? I didn't even know they had CarMax here. Oh my gosh. Somebody hit me in one of these. Should I play back the clip?
Damn, twin. Bruh. Shit crazy, man.
But GT350 is... this is why y'all need to subscribe so I can live like this. Oh my gosh, let's get a thumbnail. This is the goal. These two right here. To be honest with you, LT1 is a budget build. I really want the 1LE Camaro SS. But gosh, this isn't too bad. 66K. I don't have kids or anything. I really could get whatever I wanted to. Man, these car notes are ridiculous. Y'all can look this up if y'all want to. How many miles is it? 16,000. Sure, it's a clean title car. APR, see, yeah, 1,000 a month on the payment. Sheesh. Mine would probably be like 1,200 on this, honestly. And this one, let's see how much this is. The payment on this, 1,200. Yeah, mine would probably be like 1,400. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Stingray, CarMax, man. They're probably like, why is he over there looking at these cars? Because this is the end goal. Thumbnail. Quick thumbnail. But man, about to get ready and test drive this LT1, get a good feel of it. LT1, sunroof. Yeah, I'm liking it. This does feel way better than well, it doesn't feel way better. Don't let me lie to y'all. But it does feel good. Like, it feels more like track oriented. Like, you have a better like handle on this car. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. But man, how y'all see me looking? And I think this car comes with an exhaust, so that's why it's roaring pretty good. It's roaring pretty well. I would not lie to you. This thing sounds pretty good. Get over one. LT1. Solo Dolo on the test drive. Yeah, this car's pretty nice. I'm gonna have to run some numbers on it and see. I haven't even tried to hit the pedal shifters or nothing. I'm just cruising. Mexico, by the way. We're in Mexico. This is AI generated footage. Thing drives good, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm about to enjoy this car a little bit so I can really see how I like it. But I was just coming to show the vlog, man. You know we need that content. Man, this is hard to say no to. RS LT1. The only thing I don't like is the mileage is a little high, man. For a sports car, I mean 62, not too hard. I mean not too high, but RS edition, better than the other one I found. Not gonna lie, this thing is nasty. Gosh. What y'all thinking, man? I was supposed to bring this back a long time ago. I was supposed to bring this back a long time ago. For the 30 ball. It got Brembos. The other one didn't have Brembos. I think, yeah, these do got Brembos. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm liking it. No 200 on the dash, but hey, this car's nice. I don't know how the camera or the lighting is. My face is still a little swollen, but man. Pedal shifters in the back. I don't like this glare. I don't like that glare. Pulling back up to CarMax down the street somewhere. Yep, my parents like it. Got the modes. Got all the modes. Sport. Let's put that baby back in sport. Traction control off. Playing it safe. Driving it safe, man. I'll put Recaros in here. Keeping the camera low because I do not like that lighting. I change the steering wheel, get the light up with the LT1. Tint it, of course, wicker bill on the back, and let it ride. But I'm pulling back up, man. Y'all stay tuned. Finished product. I don't know if it's running or what right now, but another look at Kiki's 73 Centron. This mug nice. Up here at the shop. Just got done test driving that LT1. But 40 ball. Ran some numbers, 40 ball. Might as well go GT Premium. Just coming up here showing my dad. Just another look up here at the shop. Rucci's. Corleone's. I think he got a shift kit and 373 gears in here. The mug nice. But nah. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Y'all stay tuned. I'm about to go home and play 2K with Dez. I was just coming up here, show y'all this, and show y'all what else is going on up here. I don't know who I'm watching, but he just bought a GT500. Getting ready to end out the vlog. Had a lot of stuff going on today. Test drive with LT1. What else did y'all see in this vlog? Can't even remember. Been a few days. What did we start this vlog off doing? Let me think. Oh yeah, showing you Kiki's drop. This little shop vlog. Then you seen the finished product. Looks good. $1,000 dub. That's a win. That's definitely a win. Or I think it was like $1,200. Doesn't matter. Has a title, or even if it doesn't, still a dub. Has a 350 in there now. Yeah, Has a 350 in there. My relay and power lines for my top came in. Now I'm just chilling, cooling, getting ready to find a floor pan. So y'all probably see another vlog, junkyard vlog after that. Looking for something like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh my gosh, my dream car. GT500. Wish I could get something like that. Will get something like that. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, trust the process. But thank everyone for the new subs. We hit 1K. A lot of supporters, man. Y'all just gotta continue to stay down and watch the channel grow. Stay tuned for the Donk process. It's coming. It's slow, but hey, man, it's part of the game. Got a lot of stuff I'm juggling. Getting ready to end out my semester of school. Getting ready to start more summer classes, internships, whole lot of stuff. So just, hey, y'all stay tuned.